Hi, I'm Ati and I'm now the deputy leader of the international mentor team of BME. Our organization was founded more than 10 years ago to help students socialize and assist students in bureaucratic procedures in Hungary. We help students before their arrival and until they're receiving their degrees from university. So the mentor team is here for you throughout your whole university career. Before the first week of university, we usually organize our registration week event series where we help you find friends or socialize at the university. We usually have a freshman picnic with team building games where you can find friends from your faculties. We also have a city tour where we show you around in Budapest. And we also usually have a campus tour to make you see the buildings where you're going to be studying and writing your midterms. In the first few weeks of university, you're going to face a lot of bureaucratic procedures. You'll have to obtain your residence permit and health insurance. We provide useful guides on our website regarding all these processes, and besides that we also operate an email address, so in case you have any questions regarding those processes, feel free to contact us and we'll reply to you within a day. If you need personal assistance, we can also accompany you to these authorities and help you there with translation. We are here for you to make your university years as smooth as possible, and we are looking forward to meeting you at BME.